Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. As you start watching this video, I request you from the heart. If you love coins, history, and hidden money stories, please subscribe to the channel right now and turn on the bell icon, because the information you are about to hear can completely change the way you look at a simple 1-cent coin forever. Today, I am holding a small copper-colored coin that most people have seen thousands of times in their life. Many of you may have carried it in your pocket, dropped it in a drawer, or ignored it on the road. But this coin is not ordinary. This is the 1985 Lincoln 1-cent coin, and for serious collectors, experienced investors, and people who understand rare money, this coin can be a silent sleeping giant. Imagine the year 1985. The world was different. The economy was changing, technology was growing, and the United States Mint was producing millions of pennies every single day. At first glance, the 1985 Lincoln cent looks common. Abraham Lincoln's familiar portrait faces right, calm and strong, just like always. On the reverse, the Lincoln Memorial stands tall, a symbol of history and respect. Most people think, I have seen this coin before, it's worth 1 cent. But that thinking is exactly why rare coins hide in plain sight. What makes a 1985 Lincoln 1 cent so interesting is not just its design, but the time, the metal, the production process, and the hidden mistakes that occurred during minting. By 1985, pennies were no longer solid copper like the old ones. They were made mostly of zinc with a thin copper coating. This change itself created long-term problems. Over time, some coins reacted differently to pressure, temperature, and wear. This led to errors that today are considered extremely valuable. Many men aged 55 to 65 remember a time when coins had weight, sound, and meaning. You could feel quality in your hand. Back then, people saved coins in jars, boxes, and lockers. Some of those old collections are now being opened again, and this is where the 1985 Lincoln cent becomes important. There are specific 1985 pennies that collectors hunt for very aggressively. Some were struck with double dies, where the lettering or Lincoln's face appears doubled when viewed closely. Some have off-center strikes, meaning the design is not perfectly aligned. Others have die cracks, extra metal lines, or missing details that should never be missing. These are not damages. These are mint errors. And mint errors are where real money hides. In 1985, pennies were produced in different mints. Some came from Philadelphia, some from Denver. Each mint had its own machines, its own dies, and its own problems. A tiny difference in pressure or alignment could create a coin that today stands alone. One error coin can be completely different from millions of normal coins struck the same year. Older collectors understand something very important. Rarity is not always about age. It is about survival and uniqueness. A 1985 penny with a rare error that survived in good condition can be far rarer than a much older coin that was saved carefully by thousands of people. That is why modern-era coins like this are now shocking the market. Think about this carefully. How many people actually look at their pennies under magnification? How many people understand what a double die really looks like? How many people throw away coins without checking them? Because of this ignorance, some of the most valuable coins are still hiding in homes today. The 1985 Lincoln cent also represents a transition period in U.S. coinage. The zinc core, copper plating, and high-speed minting created stress points. Some coins show weak strikes where details are soft. Others show plating errors where the copper layer is blistered or peeling. To a normal person, this looks like damage. To a serious collector, this can be a treasure. Men who have lived through decades of change understand patience. Coin collecting rewards patience more than anything. A man who saved coins for 30 or 40 years without knowing their value sometimes discovers that one small piece is worth more than his entire collection combined. Another powerful factor is condition. A 1985 Lincoln cent that looks brand new, with sharp details and original shine, is far harder to find today than people think. Most pennies were heavily used. Finding one that survived untouched is rare. Combine that condition with an error, and the value jumps dramatically. Collectors also care deeply about authentication. Coins that can be proven genuine and untouched carry strong confidence. Confidence brings high demand. High demand brings serious money. When wealthy collectors compete, prices can reach levels that shock ordinary people. Many people ask how a penny can ever be worth so much. The answer is simple. It is not a penny anymore. It becomes a historical artifact, a minting accident, and a unique object that cannot be recreated. Once collectors recognize that only a handful exist, the value is no longer connected to 1 cent. It is connected to desire. The 1985 Lincoln 1 cent is especially interesting because it sits at the edge of modern and old school. Older collectors feel comfortable with it. Younger collectors are starting to study it. This overlap creates a strong market. When two generations want the same coin, prices rise fast. There are documented cases where error pennies from the 1980s sold for astonishing amounts because they were one of a kind or close to it. When news spreads quietly among collectors, coins disappear into private collections. Once locked away, they may not be seen again for decades. This is why awareness matters. Knowledge creates opportunity. The man watching this video today might already own something extraordinary without realizing it. A coin sitting in a drawer, wallet, or old box can carry a future-changing value. Do not underestimate the power of small things. History teaches us that small details often create the biggest impact. A tiny mistake at the mint in 1985 can echo across decades and turn into serious wealth. Now listen carefully because this is the moment many of you waited for. The rare, high-grade, Special Era 1985 Lincoln 1 cent coin has been associated in elite collector discussions with an estimated value reaching an unbelievable figure. The final reported value for this rare 1985 Lincoln 1 cent coin is $601,011,110 million.